it's a very important game for us kasi nga coming from a 3-game losing streak, we need to bounce back and we need this game kasi nga yung standing dikit-dikit eh. So we know we have a chance but we need to have that sense of urgency right now to play hard and to win the game. Kasi nga I think 5 is medyo delikado eh. But yung 6 siguro, automatic yun, baka pumasok. But our target is 1 game at a time. So Alaska, nakalusot kami. So I think we need to prepare hard for Meralco on our next game. And yun nga, I'm very proud of my players because, you know, especially yung Jason is very professional, and also Kyle. I want to thank Kyle Pascual also because he knows he will be, kumbaga matitrade na siya. But on our yung last 2 practices namin, nandun pa siya. So nagpaalam siya. So I know it's very hard, but he's very professional. And Jason step up on this game. So I'm very proud of my players.